You're using AI tools every day. ChatGPT, Notion AI, maybe even Gemini or Claude. But here's the truth. Most people are making serious security mistakes without realizing it. And these small errors can expose your data, identity, and even your job information. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where we explore the smarter and safer side of technology. In this video, I'll show you 5 security mistakes people make when using AI tools, and how you can avoid them starting today. Mistake number 1, sharing too much personal data. Many people paste private information like names, addresses, passwords, or company data directly into AI chat boxes. Remember, what you enter could be stored, logged, or even used to improve the model. Mistake number 2, using AI tools on public Wi-Fi without protection. Hackers can intercept your connection and access your AI session data. Always use a VPN or secure connection when using online AI tools, especially for work-related tasks. Mistake 3, ignoring your AI tool's privacy settings. Most platforms like ChatGPT and Google Gemini allow you to turn off chat history or opt out of data training. Take 2 minutes to review your settings. It can save you from future data exposure. Mistake 4, uploading confidential files like contracts, reports, or internal company data. AI tools aren't secure file vaults. Once uploaded, your document could be accessible by systems or even stored in logs. Use encrypted storage or redact sensitive info before sharing. Mistake 5, falling for fake or cloned AI websites. Scammers create lookalike sites for ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney to steal your logins and credit card info. Always double-check the URL and only use official links. Bonus tip, secure your AI accounts with 2FA, two-factor authentication. Even if your password leaks, 2FA keeps intruders locked out. Think of it as your final digital shield. So let's recap. Avoid these 5 security mistakes. Don't share personal data. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Check privacy settings. Don't upload confidential files. Watch out for fake sites. Stay smart, stay secure, and keep your AI usage safe with Smart Tech Lab. Subscribe for weekly videos on AI tools, productivity, and digital security.